Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a makeup look made in partnership with Rimmel Lonon. First I'm using the Almay Smart Shade Anti-Aging Skin Tone Matching Makeup, and the shade is in Straight Up Medium. This is kind of strange when you first apply it. It is not your skin color, but after it settles into your skin, it matches your skin perfectly. I'm obsessed with this if I want to get a quick base done. I just use my fingers to blend it in, and it's super fast and easy. To bronze up the skin, I'm using the Laura Mercier bronzer in Soleil. For blush, I'm using something a little bit bright, and I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Pretty Skin palette. Next, I'm using one of my favorites. It's the POIT Glam Glitter Gel, and I'm just going to use this as an all-over color. It's actually kind of clear. It just has iridescent glitter in it, and it's just beautiful on the eyes by itself. To finish off the eyes, I'm using the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. For the lips, I'm using the Rimmel Lonon Exaggerate Automatic Lip Liner, and this is the shade Call Me Crazy. For lipstick, I'm using the Rimmel Lonon Lasting Finish Extreme Lipstick, and the shade is Dat Red. I wanted to show you another way that you can apply the same lipstick. This one is a more diffused look, and I really like this for this eye look especially. So you just put the lipstick in the center and then kind of mush your lips together, and then I use my finger to kind of blend it out. And that is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you very soon in the next one.